Hello friend, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar, founder and creator of SelectorsHub. Request you if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming update. While writing the XPath or selectors and when you are verifying XPath basically or selectors in SelectorsHub Pro, it happened a lot that you want to try some new XPath, you want to write new XPath again and again. But at the same time, you don't want to miss what you have earlier written, right? The first XPath you don't want to miss. So let me show you what we people do generally until you don't know about this new feature. So suppose we want to write an XPath for this element. So what you do, like we start typing here. Okay, this XPath is written. Now I want to try some new XPath. So generally what we do, we copy this XPath, we go back to some editor, paste this value, then come back, delete this. Now let's try another type of selector here. Okay, and that's how we write again. Like if I want to try something, I will copy and paste this somewhere, and then I will start writing here. Let's say now this time I want to explore some XPath. So this is how we do. Again, if we have to write new, we will paste this and delete this and write. But is there something that we can save directly here in SelectorsHub Pro itself, and then we can use that whenever we want in future? Because right now if you close this, you don't have any reference of those selectors what you have written earlier if you have not saved them somewhere in Notepad. So yes, we have a great feature here in SelectorsHub. You will not have to waste time while saving value here and there. Right there, like let me just inspect any element here. Suppose we are writing XPath or CSS selector for this element. So we have written this. Now we want to save this value. You just click on this plus button here. The value will be saved here. If you click that, you will see the saved value here. Suppose if I have made one new XPath, this one I want to save, I can save and see this here. If you want to write CSS selector, you can write CSS selector here and save that value. Duplicate value, it will not save. Like if you click again, it will not save this, only 3 value will be there. Now how this will be helpful, let's say if I have closed this by mistake and I don't remember what I did, so I will open it again, SelectorsHub Pro here. Okay, and you see that when you will click here, all those values are here. Now if you want to edit any one of them, let's say I want to change this XPath, I want to play around this, click on edit button, it will copy and paste this here, and whatever you want you can play around with this XPath. Suppose you don't want to like you have these one and you want any of these, let's say I want to use this one, I can simply copy and go back to my editor and paste it here. So this is how you can use this. There is limit of 50. Now you can save up to 50 selectors here. If you want to delete any one of them, you have the option. Let's say I don't need this one, you can delete this. So you have that option, that value will be deleted from here. You can add it, you can copy any particular value. If you want to delete all of them, so you need not to delete one by one, you just click on delete all and they all will be deleted from your local history. So this is how this feature will be very helpful for you, yet innovative and very helpful feature. Again, I'm sure you guys will love this. When you are writing a lot of new XPath, you are exploring things, so definitely in that case this will really help you guys a lot. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Keep sharing, keep learning, and let the world know about this incredible innovation, SelectorsHub. Thank you so much.